Yo guys, we have another pair of early Air Jordan 1s, and a lot of people, y'all always come to the videos when we are talking about Jordan 1s. I know we always talk about already dead, then nobody like them no more, the hype is over the Jordan 1s, but you guys always are true to it. You come back, you tap back into every time we show a pair of Air Jordan 1s, so it's greatly appreciated. I guess it's safe to say everybody on the Vintage Squad love a pair of clean Air Jordan 1s, man. If you guys new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you have already been a part of the Vintage Squad, make sure you guys hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content that we do drop. We drop a lot of shorts now. Of course, we're dropping daily content, videos, and stuff like that. So stay tuned for all that, you know what I'm saying, by hitting the notification bell right now for your boy. And of course, followed up with a huge like. We want to get that 500 like threshold every single video. So if you guys can help me out, smack the like button real quick. It'll be greatly appreciated, man. And I said it in yesterday's video, you guys have to be follow me over on Twitter. That's how I first, put the information out about there being a shop drop on the Air Jordan 3 white cements and on the Air Jordan 5 UNCs. So if you wasn't over there, you're really missing out. All right, so checking out this Air Jordan 1, as soon as I show you guys the box, you probably already gonna know what they are first rip. So let's go ahead, let's show y'all. It ain't a big secret, ain't a big surprise, but we have these bad boys right here. Now, like I said, after you see the box, you probably know exactly what these are. The release date is here in a couple of weeks, which is sort of exciting depending on what kind of, collector you are, and especially if you even like Air Jordan 1. So the official colorway reads Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG, black, muslin, tech gray, and white. We got these bad boys in the size 10.5. Shouts out to the homie Sneaker Fiends for sending these bad boys over. You guys know he does run a Discord where he helps you guys out copping all these pairs on restock, shock drops, a lot of different monitors that he does have on his Discord, and he also has a network account, and he's selling a lot of these early pairs over on the network app for only $1. Like, it's crazy. If you guys go tap into it, you might get you a steal or two when you tap it into the homie Sneaker Fiends on network. So without further ado, let's go ahead and peel them open. I already checked them out, so I was a little excited about seeing them. And yeah, here we have them, man. Air Jordan 1 Low black cements, man. Super different. And if you guys don't know, we had a pair of the Air Jordan 1 High black cements, or elephant prints, whatever you want to call them, pretty much having that same cement upper on the entire sneaker. And they did the same thing for a low, and I must say I like the lows a little bit better just because it's not too much of elephant print. Like, even though it's all over the sneaker, I don't think it's as predominant as the highs that we did get a couple of weeks ago. It's crazy because I actually did hit on the Air Jordan 1 High black cements, and I straight up passed on them because I seen that these were coming out, and I felt like these were a little bit better. And summertime, it's a little bit better to rock a pair of lows. And the nubuck suede on these joints off first glance is really nice in my opinion. These did come with some extra laces right here, so you guys can see. Came with some gray laces and of course a little brown box that Nike's been hitting us with. And let's take a quick little 360 at the sneaker, man. So right now down below in the comment section, you guys let me know your first thoughts, your first impressions over the Air Jordan 1 Low black cements. Is this going to be a cop? Is it going to be a pass? I'm really interested in knowing because, lows really aren't that sought after, for being honest, but if it's the right colorway, like we do see the Air Jordan 1 black toe coming out, and then of course we got a black cement Air Jordan 1 low, and people might be a little bit interested in a pair of lows rather than the highs, just based off of all the Air Jordan 1 high colorways we have been getting. People say they're oversaturated, people say they're tired of them. Me myself, if it's a nice colorway, if it's clean, your boy Da Vinci's gonna grab it. So I had to grab the Air Jordan 3 black cements right here, so you guys can see you got that same cement hit on the heel and toe box, and then it hits you with that same pattern going all the way around your Air Jordan 1 Low black cements. So like I said, it's crazy because I actually like these a lot more than the highs. I know it might sound weird because of course people originally like the highs more than the lows, but for me, I've seen the highs in hand for the black cements. But the lows, I don't know if it's the quality, I don't know if it's because it is a low that I like these that much better. It's crazy. I ain't just saying that to say it. But yeah, one more quick little 360. Of course, you got your Air Jordan 3 black cement, so clean. Probably number 1, number 2 for a lot of people of the Air Jordan 3 colorways. And then they hit us with the Spinaroo, the Air Jordan 1 Low black cements, man. So unlike your Air Jordan 1 Low SE, this is the original, you know, Air Jordan 1 Low. You have the Wings logo right on the back heel right there, as you guys can see. On the SE version of Air Jordan 1 Lows, that Wings logo will be towards the bottom near the midsole of that sneaker. And then something cool on this pair right here, I must say, is that they have that same kind of off-white sellish hit for the Nike Air that's on the tongue, the same as the midsole around these bad boys right here, as you can see, man. Super clean, I like the hits. And they totally switched it up, giving us like a true, you know, white Nike swoosh on these bad boys, giving it a nice little spin off. And like I said, these definitely gonna be a cop for your boy. But again, shouts out to the homie Sneaker Fiends for sending over the size 10.5 in these joints right here. So this pair right here that I have in my hand is the first pair that I did get from Nike, the Shock Drop or Exclusive Access, I can't remember. And one of, you know what I'm saying, the patterns was really, really washed out. As you guys can see, it's the back pair right here. And then the pair in the front is the one that was a little bit more pristine condition. And the second pair that I did double up on the Reimagined 3s came with that same bolder black cement pattern on these 3s. This black cement on the Air Jordan 1 Low matches the messed up pair, the defaulted pair, the B-grade pair of the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined right there, as you guys can see. Let me try to give you guys a little bit better, you know, comparison of that black cement, that washed out look. It might just be me, but like I said, this is a pair that came a little bit defected, and this one right here is a super, you know, lighter version of a black cement in my opinion. And then checking out the outsoles right here, you get that same kind of stone wash gray hit that you get on the entire, you know, black cement hit on these Air Jordan 1 Lows. And a lot of you guys always end up asking me, which laces do you think, you know what I'm saying, you should rock out with? Got the black laces that already came equipped in these Air Jordan 1 Lows, and you also get a pair of, you know, stone gray laces. And me, in my opinion, I would personally throw in some white laces. I have another pair of Air Jordan 1 Lows with white laces. I think the white would definitely look super clean with these because it would help, you know, contrast that nice white Nike swoosh. And I think it'll just definitely pop because it is summertime. I turn these joints all the way around to a summertime sneaker, throwing them white laces, giving them a nice pop. But you guys let me know what you think. Gray laces, black laces, or white laces that didn't come with these joints. I can't wait to read you guys' comments. So that is it for the Air Jordan 1 Low black cements. Again, let me know down below in the comment section if you will be securing these guys. I'm very interested in knowing. Let's get them comments rolling. Let's get them likes rolling. And like I said, man, sub up if you're new to the channel. I appreciate all of the support. Stay tuned for more future content by hitting the notification bell like I said. And with all this being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in next video. Peace.